Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Wanna Be Natural, and if you haven't already subscribed, then hit that subscribe button. What are you waiting on? Okay, with another makeup tutorial. So if you want to see how I did this bomb look for no apparent reason at all, then continue to watch. Also stay and watch till the end because I show you how I take my twist down and get this defined twist out for Easter. It's my Easter look. Okay, the hair, not the makeup, because I'm not gonna go this glam to church. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy. I'm going to start with the Painterly by MAC, and that's the eyeshadow primer, and I'm just placing that with my finger all over the top of my lids. Next, I'm taking just some face color powder and placing that on top of the eyeshadow primer to tone down the whiteness, and that is by Wana. It's in the color light medium. It's just a face powder. Then we're gonna put some e.l.f. primer all over my face. I forgot to do that. I did put moisturizer on, but I didn't put any primer on, so that's what I'm doing right now. Y'all are about to see the excitement on my face. I'm finally using my Morphe 3502 palette. I'm so excited to use it. I got it from my Ulta. I'm going to start with the color Tan, and I'm going to put that all over the top of my eye, just above my crease area. And I'm going to blend that out in a windshield wiper motion. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Next, I am taking terracotta, and I'm going to put that right below the tan color and kind of make a V and blend it out. Y'all, I am really liking how it's looking so far. It's like, it's so easy to blend, and it looks so like good. So I'm taking my little smaller brush and spraying it with a little Fix Plus. Then I'm gonna go into a blaze, and I'm gonna put that all over my lid. And I'm gonna pack it on there. I wanted this color to be bold, so I'm going to really pack it on. Wow, it looks really vibrant. We're going to do the same thing on this side. Next, I'm going to take sauce and put that right on top of a blaze to make it a little more vibrant. Now I'm blending it out some right above my crease, so it's not looking like a harsh color right before my crease. So let's move on to the face. I am going to be using the Becca Aqualuminous foundation for this look. But I'm really liking my eyeshadow look. I think it looks pretty good. Now I'm just going to blend it out with my little brush. This foundation matches me almost perfectly. I really like it. Now I'm going to take my beauty blender and just blend out some more to make sure the foundation is seamless. Now I am going to set my face with the little e.l.f. finishing powder in medium dark. To bring a little color back to my face, I am going to use the black opal foundation stick in the color Bronzed. To highlight, I'm using my LA Pro Girl concealer, and I believe I used the color Fawn, and then I'm going to set it with some banana powder and blend it out. I'm using a wet beauty sponge to blend out this concealer. Hi to my hubby and son who popped in on me. So now I'm going to add some terracotta to the bottom of my lash line and blend that out. Now I'm adding a little blush to my cheeks, and that's from the BH Cosmetic, just a blush palette. Shout out to It's My Ray Ray. I'm using her highlighter from her palette that she collabed with BH Cosmetics on, just to highlight a little bit. Okay, now we're going to set the whole face with the little finishing powder from e.l.f. And then I'm going to spray it down with the little Fix Plus from MAC. Then I put on some lashes and take down my hair. I just put a little coconut oil on my hands and take down my hair. I don't know what happened to the video of all of that, so I'm sorry. I hope you all enjoyed the video, the tutorial. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And see you in my next video. Thanks.